Now when news dey tell una say see wetin dey happen to Dangote refinery, una no go talk o. Now when news dey tell una say see wetin dey happen for Dangote refinery, una no go talk. You see how NNPC dey call it. I tell am say NNPC no go fit allow Dangote refinery function well. These people no wan gree release, they no wan gree leave the money, they dey thief. You see now when news dey turn how they dey condition Dangote refinery so that that price go still high according to their own. Because the money that they collect from wetin they dey import, the oil wey they sell, they put for their pocket. You see, and news dey tell una the way they don dey frustrate Dangote refinery, make it talk to their own price. Una no go talk o. Now when Dangote fuel don cost reach the normal price, una go dey condemn Dangote say na monopoly. Una no go sell for news now, make everybody come out and dey talk, make everybody come out and dey take action. Una no go talk. When the man don bend to their own thing now, they go turn Dangote like say Dangote na be the problem. Now when they tell us say see how NNPC they frustrate Dangote refinery because Dangote now won't bring the price down because the fuel dey here, you want the refiner for here, so you cannot compare with wetin they go refine for another country. So these people want make sure they frustrate the price, use their power everything, make the price equal. At the end, we will go to the play Dangote and the fuel wey you break, see how much is there. Now when news they tell una the cocoa, una no wan read news o. Tomorrow now they call blade Dangote. When they go blade Dangote is na monopoly. The people when they do the monopoly, why they don't build the refinery for Nigeria here? Why they need to build that for Nigeria people work?